Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 10 practical geometry. In that chapter, here first question, construct a triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 4.5 centimeter and YZ is equal to 5 centimeter and ZX is equal to 6 centimeter. In this way it is given there. Our aim is to construct a triangle XYZ triangle construction. Rough diagram means see here rough diagram triangle rough diagram drawing time. Usually X we mark it on the top, Y and Z mark it on the down base. Y and Z mark it on the base of the triangle. X is mark it on the top of the triangle. In that way, from here measurement you consider. First you take base value. Here base value is how much? Base alphabet Y and Z. So YZ value take first. YZ value is how much? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter take in the base. And the XY value take it on the left side, that is 4.5 centimeter, and the ZX value take it as a 6. This is the rough diagram of the triangle. With the help of a compass, scale, pencil, we are using this construction. First we start by Z base value is how much we have? 5 centimeter. So take to scale. Using scale 0 to 5 centimeter. Here see in scale reading 0 to 5 centimeter, where here there you mark 0 to 5 centimeter. Mark 0 to 5 centimeter. Mark that marking point you give name as Y and Z, like this way. Y and Z mark it as how much centimeter? 5 centimeter. Next which one? Next measurement XY measurement. XY measurement how much given there? 4.5. So take out your compass and scale 4.5 measurement using compass. 0 to 4.5. Here 4, between 4 and 5 10 divisions are there. In that 10 division, fifth line represent as 4. Here first small line 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4. This line represent as 4. Up to the distance we take 4.5 distance take. Then keep Y as center. YX value represent as how much? 4.5. Draw an arc like this. Keep Y as center. Draw 4.5 centimeter. Keep a sharp end of the compass. Keep it on Y and 4.5 centimeter arc. Next which measurement? ZX measurement. ZX measurement how much? 6 centimeter. So again take out a scale 0 to 6 like this. In this way measure. 0 here, 0 to in scale reading 6 measurement take 0 to 6 and keep Z as center. Where keep the sharp end of the compass? Keep Z as center. 6 centimeter arc draw. Where to draw? Draw the first arc cutting. First arc 4.5 arc where there to cut and draw the second arc. Both arc intersecting point mark required alphabet Z. Both arc intersecting point mark required alphabet as X. Then join X to Y and join X to Z. We get our required what is our triangle name? XYZ. That is a question. Construct XYZ triangle. Then extra lines you can erase. Extra lines you can rub it. Then we get a correct XYZ triangle. This is the first question. Construction of a XYZ triangle construction. Then next step. Second question. See. In second question they says that construct an equilateral triangle. One side measurement given as 5.5 centimeter. Equilateral triangle speciality. all three sides. Triangle has how many sides? Three sides. All these three sides measurement become how much? Same measurement 5.5. That means here triangle name not mentioned. We only keep any name triangle. So here rough diagram drawing means PQR triangle you decided to draw means QR measurement also 5.5 centimeter, PR measurement also 5.5, PQ measurement also how much? 5 point. This is the rough sketch. So equilateral triangle case all the three sides measurement become how much? Same only 5.5 centimeter. So here question asking construct an equilateral triangle 5.5 centimeter. So take out your compass, then scale also take a first baseline. Baseline is which one? QR. How much? 5.5. From 0 to 5.5 means between 5 and 6. How many divisions are there in scale? How many divisions are there? 10 divisions are there. In that 10 division, fifth line, see, fifth line represent as 5.5 like this. 0 to between 5 and 6, 10 divisions are there. In that 10 division, fifth line represent 5.5. First one 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4. Here this somewhat big line represent 5.5. There you mark the 5. Then mark alphabet as Q and R. So you can mark that baseline as a Q and R. How much? 5.5 centimeter. Equilateral case remaining two sides also same only. That's why next 5.5 centimeter. Next procedure 5.5 centimeter. Take in a compass 0 to 5.5 stretch your compass. 5.5 measurement take. 5.5 measurement take. Then first R keep R or Q, your choice. R or Q keep as center. Like here R keep as center 5.5 arc. Same way keep Q as center. Sharp end of the compass keep on Q. Second arc, both arc are intersecting. The two arc where they are intersecting, this point represent as a required which alphabet? P alphabet. P is here. P alphabet. You mark it on there. Then P2R and P2Q join. You get required triangle. So P2R just you joined. P2Q just you joined. That's all. P2R and P2. So we get a required triangle PQ. Here also 5.5 centimeter. PQ side also 5 point. Measurement also must. Triangle construction case measurement also must and should to mark it on the triangle each side case. Next third question. In third question they ask, see, draw a here triangle name given there. But previous question triangle name not there. PQR or ABC or C or DEF or any triangle name you can give. Here triangle third question triangle name is given. How much? PQR is the triangle name. PQ is equal to 4 centimeter. QR side value is 3.5 centimeter. PR side value given as 4 centimeter. Then construction after looking time, what type of triangle is this? Tell the name of that triangle. Scalene triangle or isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle. Scalene means all three sides are different measurement. We call it as a scalene triangle. Isosceles means any two sides of a triangle equal, then we can say isosceles triangle. Then next equilateral triangle means all three sides measurement become equal. We call it as a equilateral triangle. Then construction after checking it. So here how to draw the rough sketch? Here rough sketch means always base part we take, top part we take it as P, Q and R alphabets, mark it on the base part, meaning QR value take first and mark it as a base. QR value take first. How much? 3.5, not PQ. PQ is the left and right side of the triangle side. QR value, QR side value take it as a base side. PQ and PR measurement, mark it on here. See, QR value is 3.5, that mark on base of the triangle. Then PQ value 4 centimeter, mark on the left side of the triangle. And PR value mark 4 centimeter on the right side of the triangle. In this is the rough sketch. Then original triangle, how to draw? Just take out the scale. Then measure first baseline. Baseline is how much? QR 3.5. 0 to 3.3. Between 3 and 4, 10 lines are there. In that 10 line, fifth line represent as a 3.5. And mark it as a Q and R. Mark it as Q and R. Measurement is 3.5 centimeter. Next, Q construction, P point, how to construct a remaining measurement. What are the remaining measurement? PQ and PR are the PQ and PR are the remaining measurement. PQ distance is how much? 4 centimeter. So take out your scale and compass. Keep a scale sharpened on the 0. 4 centimeter measure. Measure that. 4 centimeter measurement to take in this way. Keep PQ means Q as P point is unknown. We don't know P where, but Q point we know. So keep Q as center. Sharpened of compass. Keep on Q. Draw a 4 centimeter arc. Same way next measurement. Third measurement is PR is 4 centimeter. P point we don't know, but R point we know where it is. Here base side of R. There also how much measurement? 4 centimeter is the PR measurement. So there also 4 centimeter you take 0 to 4 centimeter. Then where keep compass? Keep R as center. 4 centimeter arc draw. Then the two arc where they are intersecting, that is that point mark and give the alphabetic name as P. This is our constructing point P point. So we constructed P point just joining P to Q and P to R point. Just we joining, we get an exact triangle. See, exact triangle. This extra lines we can rub that. This extra lines. Okay. So we get a exact PQR triangle. Measurement also must. Then only full mark get it. 4 centimeter. PR also how much? 4. See what is the specialty of this triangle? PQ side and PR side are same measurement. Third side is a 3.5 centimeter. That's why this triangle name, what we can call this triangle? It is an isosceles triangle. The question asking what type of triangle is this? We can say it is an isosceles triangle. What is the reason? Two sides of this triangle become same measurement. That is the reason. Then next, one more question. Construct a triangle ABC. Here triangle name they given. Name not there means you can give yourself can give any name. Here triangle name they given. ABC is the triangle name. AB side is 2.5 centimeter. BC side is 6 centimeter. AC side is 6.5 centimeter. Usually rough diagram drawing time in which way? BC represent as a base and A point mark it on the upper. Then A to B and A to C we joining like this. This is the actually triangle diagram. BC represent as a base. AB side and AC side are on the left and right side. So first we start with which side? BC side only, not take AB side. BC side only start. That is our base. AB and AC are the left side line and the right side line. Remember. So you can start with the original construction. Scale take first BC measurement here. How much? 6 centimeter. BC 6 centimeter. AB take it as 2.5. AC 6.5. Like this they give 6 centimeter take in a scale. Using a scale and pencil 0 to 6 centimeter mark. 0 to 6 and mark it as a B and a C. measurement is 6 centimeter. Like this way you can write. The next measurement, second measurement, AB side or AC side. That is your choice. AB side or AC. AB side value is how much given in question? 2.5 centimeter. So take out your compass and scale from 0 to 2.5 means where it is between 0 and 2 to 3, between 2 and 3, fifth line represent as 2.5 up to their measure 2.5 like this. 2.0 to 2.5 measurement take AB side. So A point we don't know, but B point we know. So keep B as center. 2.5 centimeter arc draw first. B as center. A point unknown. Our aim is to construct A point. B keep as center of the point, sharp end of the compass, keep it on B point, draw an 2.5 centimeter arc. Next, third measurement is how much? AC value is 6.5. So again use scale and compass. 6.5 centimeter, take 0 to 6, 0 to 6, between 6 and 7. 10 points are there. In that 10 division, fifth line represent as 6.5. Then AC, here also A is unknown, but C point we know. Keep C as center. 6.5 arc draw. Where it here in this way, see? Keep C as center, draw second. It cut our first RC. It is 6.5 arc, cut our 2.5 arc. Where they are cutting at that point, you mark an alphabet as A. Join A to C and join A to C and A to B. Just you joining joining time. What is the measure of the angle B? Looking time. Angle B represent as measuring how much degree? 90 degree. That also they asking. Measure angle B. Angle B measuring how much will coming? 90 degree will coming. So measurement, right? AB is 2.5 centimeter. AC represent as 6.5 centimeter. This is the construction part. This first exercise, construction 4 questions are there. These are the 4 questions. I hope you can understand how to construct a triangle with the help of the given measurement. Remaining exercise we can discuss on a next class. Thank you.